Welcome to another hotel review. This is the hotel I'm staying at. Pretty big hotel. I think this is new part, I'm not too sure, but this is the part I stayed at. They call this a tower. Then over here, I'm pretty sure that's the older part. Okay, you go all the way down there, there's a pool, so it's a pretty big hotel. Have a lot of stuff. There's a Perkins right there. You go down, beautiful. If you watch my other review, Econo Lodge is actually over there. You can see it from here. Yeah, Global Market over there, food hall. So this is a very nice place to stay at. I highly recommend it. It's really nice. We treat you like family. They do treat us like family, man. Good stuff around here, man. Hold on. Before we start this review, you gotta make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not starting the review until you do that. I know you haven't done that yet, man. Come on, man. Help me out, man. You know, I'm just trying to get some views, man. Hook me up. Do that for me, please. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, man. Let's get on with the review. It's gonna be quick and easy because today I'm supposed to check out. It's been a long week. I have been here for 8 days, I think. I've been here since Tuesday, 10/11. Today is 10/18, Wednesday. So I've been here for a full week. Ain't gonna lie, this is a great hotel. I'm at the Comfort Inn Suite in Madison Airport. Man, it's on the east side of Madison. This is a great hotel. I got a really great rate, $79 a night, because we did a conference here, so you know. But other than that, I think it's usually about $100, 110. I can't remember, 120 maybe. You can Google it and, you know, find your own price, but because you know, price always fluctuate depending on the time of the season as well. But I had a good time here, man. Great hotel. Let me show you my room real fast. So as soon as you enter, this luggage case holder, you do have to find it in the closet. Then you got all this countertop space. Honestly, I never used a TV, so I don't know what's on the TV. I wasn't in my hotel room that much besides just to sleep. Come with a fridge, as always. You know, you buy cheese curds, you keep it cold, you put drinks in there. I had a bunch of drinks, you see, as it's still kind of cold. I'm just kind of unpacking right now, cleaning up. You got a microwave too. I didn't use the microwave. And you know, you got some storage space, so that's cool. I did a bunch of work on the desk, I ain't gonna lie. Did a bunch of work on this desk. Comfortable chair, but I will say every room has a different chair because I went to some other rooms and they had a different chair. So I lucked out, I got a really comfortable chair. Did a bunch of work here. Got your light here. Got your outlet plug right there. Too light, not, you know. Got another outlet plug right there. Good AC system, it works, man. Got my view. Okay, you know, this is East Washington Street, which is awesome. Ain't gonna lie, they do have this, okay? It's behind the white curtain. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty stupid. Okay, so when I first came into the room, it was like this. I was like, damn, that's bright, dude. But you know, it's cool. And then at night came, you know, with the lights outside. I was like, you know, trying to sleep, but there was like so much light outside. I'm like, man, how do you close it? Man, my dumb ass over here is like trying to pull this one, and then like you see those tracks? See those tracks up there? It doesn't go anywhere. So I'm like, how do you pull it? How do you close it? I'm like, what kind of damn system is this? You can't close the curtain. So I thought that was how it was, and I slept like that for like 2 or 3 nights. My friend was talking about the curtain, so I asked him about it. They're like, no, it's behind the right thing. So you know, make sure you open this one. And you see that? Make sure you pull it. So man, yeah. So I slept like that for 2 or 3 nights. But I'm a heavy sleeper, so I was able to sleep. So it's whatever. And you got all this space right here. You could do like, you know, some push-ups, sit-ups. I did push-ups for one day. I ain't gonna lie. But you know, you got another outlet right here. You got your bed. As you know me, I usually get the double bed. One for before shower, one for after shower. That's why they both look like they've been slept on. Man, it's great. The bed, it's alright. Honestly, it's a little bit hard. Okay, it's a little bit hard. It's not like super soft, but I like it. I slept really well. This pillow is pretty soft and it's big. So, you know, it's a good pillow. You got your blanket, you know, whatnot. You got your phone. I guess you got an alarm clock if it works. I don't know if it works. But then you got 2 outlets right there, which is great. You got another outlet up there too. You know, 2 light switch. Got more storage. Got your other bed. Got your safety lock, which is cool. So, you come around here. That's the main door. That's what I like the best, man. When you have the sink separate from your shitter. So you know, if you got more than 1 people, I can like, you know, get ready to do stuff, which is great. You know, the other one can be like taking shit, taking piss, taking shower, whatever. So I didn't get that many condiments or this stuff, man. This is moisturizing lotion. This is conditioner. Supposedly you get shampoo. Oh, this is, I did get shampoo. Okay, I thought this was something else. So yeah. So and then you know you get your body soap, makeup remover. Got your ice bucket. Got some cups. Oh, they did have a coffee maker here, but I wanted more room. So I actually moved my coffee maker to over here. So just so I have more room. I don't drink coffee, so it doesn't matter. I'll explain my towel situation later. So this is the restroom, which is actually pretty big. You know, you got two places to put your soap and stuff, whatnot. Shower head, great. I showered, great. So overall, this hotel is really awesome. I will say they don't do housekeeping. When I made the reservation, I requested housekeeping every day. The front desk said, no, we won't do that every day. We're too short staffed, but we will do it every 3 or 4 days. I've been here for a week. They didn't do it one time at all, but I'm pretty sure if I called and I would have asked them to do it, they probably would have done it, but I didn't make that call, so you know, I'm not too worried about it. It is what it is. If I wanted new towels, I could have asked for new towels, that's for sure, but I use the same towel over and over, so you know, it's whatever. I'm not complaining, but just some heads up, you know. The front desk did warn me too that like if your trash is full, just put it outside. If you need more towels, just come down and get it yourself. We'd be more than happy to give it to you. But some meaning donuts. It's about 9 o'clock right now, so some stuff might be out. Eggs, waffles. Yogurt, cereal, and juice in a microwave. Seating area. Breakfast here, they do change every day. It's a little bit different. Sometimes you get scrambled eggs, sometimes you get like, you know, the other egg. Sometimes you get sausage patty, sometimes you get bacon. It's a little bit different day to day. I only ate breakfast here maybe once or twice, but I saw it every day. The gym was not really working. A lot of the machines was out of order. The pool was great. I highly recommend this hotel, man. It is more expensive than the Econo Lodge. So, you know, if you try to save money, you go to Econo Lodge, you feel a little bit baller, you stay here. The staff are really cool. I had a great time, had a great experience. Man, the staff are awesome. I ain't gonna lie, man. I love the staff. They were cool every morning. They greeted me. They made me feel like I was VIP or something, man. I'm nobody. But you know what? That's the end of the review. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was short, so I didn't really show you the hotel. I was really busy this weekend, man. I didn't even vlog this trip that much, man. Besides, you know, judges course stuff, man. But, you know, I hope you liked this review. I hope it was helpful. If you didn't do it in the beginning, make sure you do it now, man. Comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like it too, man. It really helps me, man. Please. All right, I'm out. Deuces.